Morning guys. Somebody asked me how the catfish trap was doing, and as you can see, Pi and her dad caught a load this morning. That's not all of them though, there's loads more in here.
About 5-6 kilos.
And over here, there's even more. Look at them, just loads of them. About 5 or 6 kilos they caught. And of course, even more. Yeah, that fish trap works a treat. Well, as you can see, I'm having to slow down on speaking. The dentures are uncomfortable. I just feel like there's way too much in my mouth, and I feel like I want to gag. This is one of the things the dentist did say would happen, so please bear with me. Forming my words and talking normally is going to take a while, but at least I can chew food again and smile. Yeah, it is nice. Pi said they look really good, but again, the dentist said they're going to take a while. I just have to grin and bear it, and yeah, it'll get better. I know it will. It just takes time to get used to. Right, we've got a pretty full day. Pi and her dad already caught a load of fish. Well, Pi's feeding the fish, and they are jumping a treat. Yeah, some big boys in there now. And the best thing, of course, is their breeding. As you can see, Pi's got a fish trap, and we're going to go and set that. As you saw this morning, I caught a load of catfish. You do have to be careful around here, you know, because it's so slippery. See if we've got any more in the net. No? Not yet. Not yet. Okay. She don't mess about. Life and soul of the party is Pi. Yeah, she's going to set this other trap to get some more catfish. So yeah, pretty good. Well, she just pulled out a trap there, and she's got fish in it, only little ones though. Tiny little things. And now she'll set the other one. Really cool though, isn't it? Well, as you can see, Pi's dad has been up here And he's cleared a lot of the undergrowth. You can now see the mango trees again. Look how big they are. I think it was in January we planted these and they were about a foot high. But look at them now. I mean, I'm 5'5" and these are nearly at my height now. So amazing, isn't it? And looking really healthy though. Really pleased with them. Hopefully, I'm not sure how many years it will take, but hopefully we'll have mangoes within the next sort of year or two. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. The others are doing really well as well. I just spotted a crane as well, flying to that tree line there, so they've been on our pond again. Oh, devils, aren't they? Still, no stopping them. Now this is a papaya tree that Pi's mum planted, and it's already got papaya growing on it, and they're big as well. They'll grow a lot bigger yet though. Brilliant. Just amazing this lot though, because it grows so fast. Brilliant though, isn't it? Well, that's our stint at the farm. Time to get back home, get some lunch. Oh, Pi, she's all loaded up. And so am I. Pi caught 3 more fish in the fish trap. So that's a few more to add to the bucket at home. Good and hot out here now though. It's coming up 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And it is roasting. Well, Pi and I have come to the back end of Bansell because all the birds are coming home to roost. There's literally thousands of them. Sun's going down, it looks absolutely stunning here. It really is a sight to behold. And I'm just hoping the camera's going to pick this up.
Wow, look at it.
There's just thousands of them now. There's a half moon tonight as well. But the skyline is just unbelievable. What a sunset this is.
Wow, a lot.
Yeah, I've never seen so many birds in one place, honey.
You see up there.
They look like swallows. Look at the colour of that sky though. Wow. There's just so many of them.
See,
There's just so many of them. Look at it, thousands of them over there.
they come to start.
Unbelievable.
Later gonna come close together and go the house.
Yeah,
Oh, look.
that is a sight, isn't it? Well, that's about all from Pie and I today. Whatever you do, have a fantastic day and stay safe. Don't forget, please subscribe, share and like. It does make a difference. And Pie and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.
See you tomorrow.
That's a lovely sight though, isn't it? Wow.